All right, guys, we're back again with another great episode of PFREI, a passion for real estate investments. I'm your host, Fuquan Bilal. Today we have Nate Dodson from Crowdfunding Lawyers. This is going to be a great episode. Thanks for coming to the show. I really appreciate it, man.
Thanks for having me today, Fuquan.
All right. So let's just give a brief introduction of yourself and background to our audience. And then we'll get into the questions. But just to give them audience a little bit about who we have here today.
Yeah, for sure. Right now, kind of the big thing is I'm the principal over at Crowdfunding Lawyers. We've been helping just thousands of people do real estate deals over the years. And that's kind of what my passion and background is for the last 20 plus years. Have been doing kind of investment deals, ground up developments. I've been on the GP teams of probably 4,000 multifamily units over the years and have helped people raise billions and just making things happen.
Hmm, that's awesome. Yeah. I wanted to bring you onto the show so we can talk about, a little bit about what's happening in this marketplace now and what are some of the things that you guys are doing to pivot. And let me get this
Definitely.
first question up before one question I usually ask all the guests is why are you passionate for real estate investing?
You know what? It's that classic. There's everything is expanding and growing except for real estate, which is always going to be there. I love it because it's made more millionaires than anything else. And at the end of the day, I can tell you that I'm an entrepreneur more than anything. And real estate has just been the widget, whether it's on the let's get the deals done side or the legal side, I'm a deal junkie, making it happen.
Mm, awesome. Let's talk a little bit about the market today. How is it affecting your business model, if any, and what are some of the things you're doing to make a pivot to continue to navigate the narrows, this marketplace?
So one of the biggest areas that we've been focused on for years has been kind of the apartment complexes and the multifamily. Last year, we closed, I think it was 218 different apartment deals. This year, I'm hoping we break 100. And it's kind of like the first 3 months, lenders were retrading, pushing back, canceling their commitments. And there's still a lot of that going on. But we've definitely seen a lot more activity happening more recently, not from doing deals, getting new loans, but from loan assumptions and
Mm,
taking on the debts that were already there. Also doing kind of the buying the companies that already got the real estate. Those types of deals are still happening. It's definitely seen that shift in the market from just getting the Fannie Freddie commercial loans to really these assumptions and hey, we'll just take over your entire place.
yeah, yeah, very interesting. What are is that just the strategy now? Are you guys still looking for things that are value add versus things that are already occupied up and running?
You know what? At the end of the day, I mean, it is where is the upside? And it all comes down to the debt in these current markets. If you can acquire real estate by assuming the loans that are still at the 3-4% interest rates compared to going out and borrowing something new at the 8-9% that you'll find kind of in the commercial space, there's still good cash flow and opportunities that you're getting them at a higher cap rate because of the current market, but with the lower debt of the assumption, it's still a good opportunity to be able to cash flow. I think that a lot of the, value add improvements, a lot of those have already been improved over the last few years. So really targeting more and more just the cash flow opportunities and hoping that within the next 12, 24 months, we'll start to see the interest rates start coming down again, the cap rates start coming down again. And so the value of the investments continuing to go up.
Hmm. What is it? What service do you provide to real estate investors with the crowd fund lawyer thing you have going?
So we are kind of just a one-stop shop for making real estate deals happen. On the hard money side, we're helping the lenders, kind of get everything together. We don't do the escrows and the closings, but we do all the doc prep, helping with the due diligence. On the actual real estate closing side, we're one of the few firms that actually work coast to coast, helping close the commercial deals, the multifamily, the bigger development deals. I've kind of collected attorneys across the country that we're licensed all over the place, or we co-counsel and bring people in. And then kind of our big target, I was a stockbroker back when there were stockbrokers. I love raising the capital, dealing with the money, and helping people kind of put the syndication and the opportunities, the funds all together as well.
That's awesome. And how can people get in contact with you to see if you can help them with that service, or just to find a little bit more about what you and your organization is doing?
They can always check us out. You can find me on social networks at Legal Nate's. Easiest is just go to our website, crowdfundinglawyers.net. You'll see, well, we've helped a couple of thousand clients over the years doing their real estate deals. And most likely, if you've been in the markets, you have dealt with our attorneys once in some way, shape, or form.
Hmm.
So that's definitely the easiest ways to reach out, is to just check out our website.
Awesome. Thanks again for coming on the platform and sharing your journey with us. I really appreciate it. It's another great episode of PFREI, a passion for real estate investments. I'm your host, Fuquan Bilal. You can catch us anywhere on social media. If you catch us on Facebook, please be sure to like and share us. And be sure to look out for us on all the other platforms where you can catch a podcast. It's a great day. Catch you guys in the next episode.